doing today? I hope you are doing well. This is a MacBook Air, and I believe this is from 2015 or 2014. We have a flashing folder. That means that the SSD is bad. The software is bad, so there's no communication between the SSD and the screen. So we are having a flashing folder. So we need to replace it. I already took out the bad SSD, but I'll just show you how you do it. I have a new SSD that I already installed from the software on. I installed macOS Big Sur on this SSD. Alright, so how do you open it up? So turn it over. There are screws on here. There are about there are 3 on this side, 3 on that side, and so that's 6. So there are about 12 screws. Is it 12 or is it? Oh, it's actually 10. Alright, so I have already taken out most of the screws. This there's only one left here, so take that out. Just wanted to make the video a little bit faster. And then when you get into the computer, make sure you disconnect the battery. Yeah, never mind this battery. This battery looks a little funky. It needs to be replaced as well. But let's focus on the SSD for now. Okay, so this is how you replace the SSD. So you just slide it into place. Okay, and then this is actually held in place by just one screw. Okay, the same tool that you use to open up the unit is the same one that you use to secure the SSD in place. You gotta have the right tools. I've grabbed a different tool now, and just gotta screw that into place. Okay, and that's it. And remember, now you disconnected the battery, remember to reconnect it. Just press down on there. Now we got power. I'm gonna turn it on. Let's see if we get an image on here. Okay, it's booting up. If we get an Apple logo, yes, we got success. Okay, so that's how you replace your SSD on the 2014-15 MacBook Air. But I was saying earlier, this should work for other years, starting in 2010 up to 2017. The location of the SSD and the design is the same. Again, thanks for watching. As always, if you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one. Ta-ta.